Welcome back, everybody. Cliff again, turn 3 in the hills. Things are going to get real now, I think. Oh, boy. We got this MG42 facing off against Mad Dog. That's going to be the crucial engagement this turn, I think. We shall see. The first thing we need to do is roll for mud. 9. It is muddy. So we don't have to do that anymore. So this goes to mud. Next thing we need to do is roll for reinforcements. 4. We have to roll 5 to 9 to reinforce, so that's no reinforcements. Alright, then we need our initiative card, which will help me to decide what to do with Mad Dog. We've got a discard. Mad Dog is 92. So Mad Dog, I gotta pour some coffee here. Caffeinate for this. Prepare myself. Wasted a KIA. Hate doing that. Mad Dog is very reactionary. We'll make that our initiative card. Which means I'm going to rapid fire. We got to get a shot off first. He's an 8. With a rapid fire that goes 7, 6, 5 for the weather, 4, 3 at a range of 7 with his Thompson, probably a 2 with the order here if he has an aim fire, which he might get. 3 shots for 2 gives us something like a 66% chance of getting at least 1 hit. You know what, since things are up close and personal, I'm going to put rapid fires on here. I'm going to put an aim fire on Thumper, a run and gun here. Put an aim fire on Thumper. I'm so bad with my rifle that I'm going to put a rapid fire here. They might come up onto our plateau here and get spotted. I'm going to put a rapid fire here. I'm going to put a rapid fire here. I want to be able to shoot every impulse. I'll put an evade here. Got to get this Browning into a better position. I'll put a run and gun here to get him up into position. And down here, I want to put sprints. No, I can't do sprint anymore. I cannot because the mud came up. What can I do? I could put run and guns on. Try to get them into a better position. I want to secure this flank. Maybe push beyond them. Those are my orders for now. We need to give them their orders. I think... Oh, it's good enough. I'll do it on camera. We'll start here with yellow, yellow, and blue. Open, open, open. All right. Get this out of the way. Yellow. Bold in the open. Run and gun 6-5. We don't have to worry about charges because we're not spotted. Bold in the open. Sneak 5. This blue, bold in the open. Rapid fire, he's not coming up. This blue, he's in the open. Aim fire. He's going to remain out of sight. The white guy, bold in the open. Evade 1-6. It's a white guy. The red machine gun team, bold in the open. Run and gun 5-6. That gives them a -4. They're trying to move up with that thing. Okay. This blue guy, bold in the open. Sneak 6-5. White guy under him. Evade 5-6. Yellow guy, bold in cover. Rapid fire. He's got no LOS. This white guy, bold in cover. Aim fire. No LOS. This bold in the crater. That's cover. Crater. Yeah, it's rough. It's cover. Where am I? Here. Bold in cover. Aim fire. Not coming up. This red guy, bold in the open. Sneak 6. This red guy, bold in the open. Aim fire. This white guy, bold in cover. Hiding. The next white guy, bold in cover. Aim fire. Stop moving around. Blue, bold in cover. Rapid fire. This guy's bold in the open. Sneaking 5-6. My mouse annoys me at times. That looks like all of them. Let's set our initiative track. Our best is 42, which is first, and 66, which is not. We did pretty well. Charlie, White, Baker. Charlie, White, Baker. And then our 92 is way last. Red, blue, Able, yellow. Red, blue, Able, yellow. All right. Charlie, White, Baker. Impulse 1. Charlie. Running and gunning. Run. Aim fire. Rapid fire. We can only see up onto the level 1 hill. The only guy he might be able to see is the machine gun. At a range of 7, which is a possibility. So this is 4. Well, we're going to take the shot. To the right key. 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's 4, 3, 2 for rapid fire. 1 because of the rain. Run and gun in the open. Needs a 0. Doesn't get it. Charlie's running and gunning. These guys are running and gunning. Run. It's Charlie's. No other Charlies. Looks good. White, Baker. Impulse 1, white. Run and gun 5. 5 is up. What was their order? He's evade 1, which is down. Should have tried to be able to spot him too. 5. Evading in the open is a 6. I did spot him before he moved down there. He's a rifle. Aim fire. Evading 5, which is up. Hiding. Aim firing. It's got no LOS. Baker. Got a rapid fire here. Anybody in level 1? Can't see him. I think the tree blocks that. Tree blocks that and that. No, it doesn't block that. But he's not on level 1. This is the only level 1. And I can't see it through the tree. Touches. Baker's done. This rapid fire, he also can't see through the tree. Can't see down because of this line. This evade He's going to come on up. Red, blue, red. Got a run and gun 5 here. Boom. Can he spot anybody? He's down now. We can't see him. Sneaking. Aim fire. Sneaking. This guy on a level 2 hill here maybe. But I think these rocks will make a blind hex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an extra blind hex. So there is a blind hex there, so he's blocked because of the rocks. It's red, blue, able, rapid, can't spot down there, sneaking, aim firing, rapid firing. Able. Dock with a rapid fire. And that's in the way. Nope, Doc can't see. Rapid fire here. Has no target. We can see that evade though to try to spot 7, 8. Spots him. Dummy. And down here we got a rapid fire with nobody spotted. Impulse 2, Charlie, white. Charlie, run and gun, can't gun, runs. Thumper is an aim fire with no shot. Got a rapid fire here with no shot. Got a run and gun here. Just gonna run up there. No spotting. Run and gun here. Just gonna go up here. And we're level 2. It's a level 1, that's a level 1. We can see these guys. There's 3 of them there. He's an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Hiding in the open. Spots him with ease. And this guy is aim fire in the open. Spots him with ease. They're all rifles. White Baker. Impulse 2, white. Evade 6. And fire. Hiding. He can try to spot these guys. He's a 4, 5, running gun in the open. Top one, bottom one. They're both spotted. He's got a name fire. He's a 3, 2, 1. Missed. Baker. Rapid fire. Nobody on the level 1s. Nobody on the level 1s. Evading up here. That's Baker. Red, blue, able. Impulse 2, red. Run and gun 6. Because he couldn't gun. Sneaking 6. He's up on a level 1 now. Anybody he can see? He could see across here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Needs a 5. Doesn't get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 rapid fire and rocks. Not seeing that. 1, 2. That's blocking. Aim fire's got nothing. Sneaking 5. He's up in level 1. Needs a 5 for that guy. Gets it. He's spotted. Well, let's take a peek at him. Yep. Spotted. 4. 3. We gotta run. We gotta rapid fire and rocks. No. Didn't see him. It's red. Blue, impulse 2. No LOS. Sneaking 6, which is down. Aim fire. Rapid fire. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Missed. Able. Rapid fire here. Nobody on a level 1 that he can see. See, he's out of luck. Rapid fire here. Nobody that he can see. He's out of luck. Rapid fire here. I think you can see him. That's a level 1, that's a level 1, that's a level 1. This is level 1. Yeah, that's a shot. But I gotta spot him. 6, 7. Spots him. And this guy too, I think. Seven. Spots him. Let's able. Yellow. Aim fire. Aim fire. Running gun 5. Sneaking 5. They're both still out of LOS of everybody. Impulse 3. Charlie's first, then white. Run. Try to spot this guy. 7, 8. Spotted. Dummy. Nobody else to spot. Thumper is aim firing. This is impulse 3. Rapid firing here. We're level 2. This guy should be shooting. Yeah, I think he was. 4, 5. Let's take the machine gun. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9. Reroll. Miss. Charlie. Running and gunning. He's going to run up. Got a running gun here. This guy's going to run over here. White. Impulse 3. Evade 1. Just down. Aim fire. Hiding. Aim firing. Baker, impulse 3. Rapid firing, nobody to spot. Rapid firing, nobody to spot. Evading. Going to go up here so I can spot. Two, 1, 0. Can I spot him? No, he still can't be spotted. But I'm going to duck back here. I like him up on that level 2 hill. Red, blue, impulse 3. Running gun 6. He can try to spot. 5, 6, 5. Nope. 5 for him. Yep. 5 for him. Yep. Up in a level 2 hill. Nope. Rapid firing in these rocks. Nope. Okay, how about the 4 then? Yep. Nope. And here in these rocks, nope. Aim fire here. Can't spot. Sneak in, not this impulse. Blue. Aim fire. Sneak in, not this impulse. Rapid fire. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Missed. Able yellow, impulse 3. Able, rapid fire. We can now shoot. Right there. Ooh, those trees touch it. Drat. Just touch. Doc doesn't get a shot. Mad Dog does, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 0 for range. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 shots for 4. One hit. Deadly. Light wound or light wound. We stop him. He needs a 4. Fails. He's now shaken. You got a rapid fire here. We're also going to open up on him. Let's go for the assistant gunner. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Missed. Yellow. Run and gun. 6. Sneaking. Aim firing. That's in blind hex. This rapid fire is down in the blind hex as well. Impulse 4. Charlie White. Charlie. Run and gun. I think I moved these yellows. Yeah, they're marked moved. Charlie. These yellows should have probably tried to spot him. 5 and 5, 6 and 6. Yeah, he's spotted. He's going to be spotted anyway. There. Right key. Okay, Charlie. Run and gun. Going after the run and gun. 6, 5, 4, or 6, 7. 6, 5. Run and gun in the open. 4. Missed. Rapid fire can only shoot at this duck back. He's a 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Missed. Run and gun. Impulse 4. He's going to try to gun at this. No. That's 2, a 2, and a 1. That tree is probably going to block him. Yeah, those trees are going to block that shot. These guys are blocked. This guy's on a 0. He doesn't have a shot, so he's going to run up here. Run and gun here. To there. Bucko. 4. 3, 2, 1, 0 for the rapid fire. For the aim fire. 0. Gets a hit with 0. Bad wound. Bucko goes up 1.
It's that time. I'll be back tomorrow. Unfortunately.
This guy is going to go duck back. He gets a bad wound. 4 minus 3 fails, goes down 2. This guy went down 2. He's cautious, not shaken. Alright. The bad wound takes him down 1. And my other Charlie here is killer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 after this blue guy hits him. Close call. The blue guy needs to roll a 4. Passes and goes up 1. He's aggressive. Charlie's white Baker. Impulse 4. Aim fire's got no shot. Evading 6 goes up onto the hill here, but he's blocked by that tree. We might be able to see him from down here. He's hiding. He's also hiding. That's white. Baker. Rapid firing at this machine gun. Going after the assistant. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A 0. We hit him with a roll of 0. Close call. Doesn't matter, we don't get our +1 there. The assistant's a 4, 5. Passes. Checkmate also blasts at the loader. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Misses. My duck back here becomes a hide. Is there anybody he can spot? He's already spotted. Spotted, 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 spotted. He can't spot him. That's Baker. Red, blue, impulse 4. Red's ducking back to hide. Aim fire. No target, no spotting. Sneaking 6. Into the woods. Blue. Aim fire. He's sneaking 5 up into those trees. Tries to duck back. And does. Got a rapid fire here. He's at 3, 2, 1, 0. -1. Hits. Odd, it's even. Odd, it's killer. Even, it's Bucko. It's Bucko. Bad wound. On a roll of 0. Rule of 0 hit. Bucko gets a bad wound. Passes. Goes down 1. Blue becomes hide. Those are all blues. Able, yellow. Doc. Doesn't quite have a shot here. Mad Dog is going after we're going to go after the gunner. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 1 hit. He's deadly. A bad wound. He needs a 0. Fails. He's going to go down 2. He's routed with a bad wound. Routed, bad wound. And I've also got Sandman here with a rapid fire. I can't see this white guy. That tree's going to block it. So I'm going to go after the gunner here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Missed. The red guys here should be able to spot. Yeah, one of them would have spotted him. Gotta use the right keys. This guy shot. He's spotted. These guys are spotted. Spotted, 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 spotted. We're pretty much all spotted except for these guys that haven't been able to do anything. Yellow, impulse 4. Sneak 5. Right next door. 2 1 0. This guy can see, this guy can see. Run and gun 5. This guy can see, this guy can see. Aim fire, out of sight. Rapid fire, out of sight. Because of this ridge. So we've knocked down, but not eliminated, the machine gun. He's routing. He's probably going to run away and leave the assistant by himself with the gun, rather than trying to take the gun. But we got a bad wound down here we have to deal with. I don't have a medic. I'll take backs down there to patch up. So what we'll do is we're going to sneak him back. We'll put backs over, patch up. We'll continue to press on with our other guy. Killer, who's got a better rifle. Killer might be able to just stay where he is and shoot. Lay down fire to cover them. We're going to have to keep rapid fires up till we repel them. Alright, take off the moves. Take off the orders. Discard the cards. Reset the impulse. Reset the chits. Go on to turn 4. It's muddy now. Slow progress. Slow progress. Hold the line. We'll see if they get more reinforcements. They've had a lot of dummies, so their numbers are thinned out. I don't know if we're going to get a superb victory this time at this rate. We shall see. We might have to press forward for victory points. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.